All right, so I'm going to show you how you want to add token into your Trust wallet. There are some tokens that you might want to buy, and then you don't know how to go about it. So let me quickly show you how you can go about this. Okay, the first thing is that when adding token into your Trust wallet, you should know the name of the token, you should know the symbol of the token, you should have the contract address of that token, and you should also have the number of decimal place that token has. Okay, so let's say some tokens are actually on CoinMarketCap. So let's say let's take an example like the VET token. All right, this is just an example. All right, go to my coinmarketcap.com and I want to add the VChain token in my Trust wallet. So when I click to the search bar here and I put in the name of the token, you'll find it will just pop up here, and then I'll come here where I have the contract address. Okay, where I have the contract address, actually I always like using a BNB Smart Chain network because there is low gas fee. So I always come contracts, then I'll click here to copy the contract address. You see that the contract address starts with 0 and it ends with 88. Okay, so that is how I'll grab the contract address just by the side. You see copied, the contract address has been copied. So right now I'll just go to my Trust wallet. Okay, I'll go to my Trust wallet here, and the first thing you see this 3 bar up here, I will click on it. And sometimes you can just write the token and see if you can have it. Sometimes you have it like this. If you can find it like this, you just activate here like this, just pushed to activate the token. Okay, but if you don't have it like this, what do? You actually paste the contract address here. Once you paste the contract address, you find the token coming out like this. Okay, and sometimes you might not have it also like this. You might not find it. You click on this plus sign. Okay, you see a plus sign here. You can click a plus sign, and then when you come here, remember that you have network, you have contract address, but the network is the Ethereum, and since it is the Ethereum network, you have to click here and change it to BNB Smart Chain. When you put it to BNB, when you change that to BNB Smart Chain, you now paste the contract address, and all of these, the name, the symbol, the decimal places will just come out automatically. And then you just have to come up here and click on done. All right, when you click on done, you actually have the token like this. Okay, you have the token like this. And now let's say you want to buy this from PancakeSwap. You want to actually have this token on PancakeSwap. The first thing you need to do is that you should make sure that you have some BNB Smart Chain or some dollars in BNB in your account here. All right, so what do? You just go to dApps. Okay, when you go to dApps here, you click on the pancakeswap.finance. Okay, click on pancakeswap.finance, and if you are using PancakeSwap for the very first time on your Trust wallet, it will actually take some time to load, and they will ask you to connect. So you always click on connect and you select Trust wallet. But since I'm not using it for the first time, it will come out just like this. But if you are actually using this for the first time, you need to click on connect at the top right hand corner here. So right now I want to swap my BNB to the VET chain or the V chain. So I have BNB up here. All right, then below here I'll change this and I will select the VET token. Sometimes if you don't have it, you can just, if you can't find it, what you need to do is just put the contract address here and it automatically comes out. Okay, when you put the contract address, you see it here. This is it. They just click on import token. When you click on import token, you click here, I understand the terms and conditions, and then you go to imports. All right, you click on import, and then you have BNB VET. And then let's say you have your balance. On the balance session, you have your BNB, but you want to spend 25% of your money to purchase this. So when you click there on the 25%, it means that you want to use 25% of your token, of your BNB. Okay, then below you scroll here, you'll find swap. So you just click on swap. All right, when you click on swap here, you finally see something that will ask you to accept all this, you just go to confirm swap, and you wait for some few seconds, and then you now find it. They'll tell you to approve. Okay, once they tell you to approve, you click on approve. All right, when you click on approve, you will see that your token is actually in your wallet. So wait a few minutes, and they will tell you, they'll send you the receipt, transaction submitted, right, view on BSC scan. So you just click on close. When you click on close right now, you will go now to your wallet area, and once you go to your wallet area, you will realize that your VET chain is right here, and this is it here. I just bought 105 of it. So this is how you actually buy or swap any token in your Trust wallet passing through PancakeSwap.